Subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a new topic. But before I start my topic, I ask you some questions. Students, what can you see in this picture? Yes, one girl is there and she is shopping a lot. Now, tell me what she need to buy this all the things. Yes, she will need money. Very good. So student, today we are going to learn coin and currency. First, see here, money. Let us look at the coins and currency notes of different values. There are two types of money. One is coins and another one is currency notes. Coins currently in use in India. Let's see the different coins using in India. ₹1 coin. ₹2 coin. ₹5 coin. ₹10 coin. Now let's see a notes currently in use in our currency. ₹1 note. ₹5 note. ₹10 note. ₹20 note. ₹50 note. ₹100 note. ₹200 note. ₹500 note. ₹1,000 note. Now, different combination of coins. Let's see. Coin of ₹1 and ₹1 makes ₹2. Coin of ₹1 and ₹2 make ₹3. Coin of ₹2 and ₹2 makes ₹4. Coin of ₹1 of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 makes ₹4. Coin of ₹1 and ₹5 makes ₹6. Coin of 5 rupees and 2 rupees makes 7 rupees. Coin of 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupee makes 8 rupees. Coin of 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 2 rupees makes 9 rupees. Coin of 5 rupees and 5 rupees makes 10 rupees. Now let's see the sum related this coin and currency notes. First sum, one eraser cost 1 rupee. How much will 2 erasers cost? Let's see. One eraser cost 1 rupees. Then the another one eraser cost also 1 rupees. 1 rupees and 1 rupees makes 2 rupees. Means 2 erasers cost are 2 rupees. Now next, Rahul brought a balloon for 4 rupees and a pen for 5 rupees. How many rupees did he pay for them? Let's see. First, Rahul bought balloon 4 rupees. 2 rupees and 2 rupees, 4 rupees. And a pen for 5 rupees. 4 rupees and 5 rupees makes 9 rupees. Means the Rahul brought the balloon and pen is 9 rupees. Count the money and write the amount. Okay, here one ice cream cone. Now this ice cream cone amount is 5 rupees and 5 rupees. Now you tell me 5 rupees and 5 rupees makes how many rupees? Yes, very good. 10 rupees. Circle the coins to make 5 rupees. Let's see. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 2 rupees. Next, 2 rupees, 1 rupee. 1 rupee and 1 rupee. Now student, tell me which coins to make of 5 rupees. First, second or third? Yes, very good. First one. Now add the coins. Write the value in box. First 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. Now student, tell me how many rupees? Yes, very good. 2 rupees. Now next, 1 rupee coin plus 2 rupee. Then how many rupee makes? 3 rupees. Now 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. Then equal to how many rupees? Yes, 10 rupees. Very good. Now activity time. Convert the following amount of money into coins. 10 rupees, 5 rupees. All of you convert this 10 rupees in a coin and 5 rupees also in a coin with the help of chart paper. Stick with the help of coins. How much money is there? Here 4 rupees. Then here 4 rupees coins stick. Like that 6 rupees also same, 8 rupees and 2 rupees same. 6 rupees is there. You have to coins stick here. 8 number is there, then 8 rupees coins stick here. Like that 2 rupees coin stick there. Now homework time. Find the total amount and fill in the blanks. Here find the total amount. Here some coins are given. All of you count it and write down this box. This all of you completed in your maths notebook. Thank you.